So today we are going to start our history chapter 6, that is towns, traders and craft person. बच्चे before explaining, yes Vicham, I have already sent you the question answer PDF, the explanation also, but I am explaining you in the live class also. So now please don't disturb the meeting in between. Listen very carefully, and at the end of the meeting I will take your all the doubts. Side by side you can write down your doubts also, that if at the end of the meeting if you are having any kind of doubt, so you can ask. So our chapter is related to the towns, traders and craft person. So first we will understand the meaning of the heading of the chapter, that towns means what type of towns were built up or set up during the different dynasty, or during the time period of different kings. Okay, their shapes, their places, their architectures, how they frame their particular towns. Okay, and what was the theme of their towns? All this we will discuss in this chapter. After that, we are having this traders. Who are the traders, bache? Traders are the person who are busy in trading. Means they are purchasing one good from one place and then they are selling that particular good at a higher price on any another place. Okay. So this is the meaning of traders. They are purchasing something from one person and they are selling it at a high price to the another person. This is mean traders. Okay. Next we are having craft person. Craft person means what traders will sell out or what they will purchase to sell it further. Means the things which craft person will produce and make, that particular thing will be sell out by the traders. By taking example, we can say that the weavers are producing cloth by using cotton or by using any other raw material. You are having natural raw material and you are having man-made raw material for that, like you are having silk or you are having polyester. So these are the raw material for producing clothes. So like this, craft person are related to the traders. Okay, and traders are related to the towns. If trader will produce anything, then only, sorry, if craft persons are producing anything, then only traders are able to sell all those particular things in the market. Okay. And now these traders are also belongs to some town also. It depends on the place that where their market is located. Is it located nearby that town or it is far away from their own place, or they need to move or they need to cover that particular way to reach in a particular town. It was all about your chapter. So in this chapter, we will discuss about all these things. So now administrative centers. अब administrative center में देखिए, what do you mean by administration? Administration means to control something or to frame policies and strategies to run any particular town or to run any particular kingdom. Okay, that you mean by administrative centers. If we are taking example of Delhi Sultans, so they belong to the Delhi, so their administrative center is Delhi only, because they are the ruling or they are the king of Delhi only. So they were their center of administrative was in Delhi, so that they can control that particular place from that particular area only. Fine. Now let's take example of Chola dynasty. Have you read about in chapter 2 na, Chola dynasty? And Tanjore was the capital of Cholas. And there was a main river also. Which river was that? Kaveri river, which flows near the town. Okay, if we are taking example that if they want to do any trading from that particular capital, so they can use that river for their shipment. They can move, they can cross that particular river to cross across that to reach their particular market to sell out their goods and services. Okay, next we are having a temple. It is very famous temple, Raja Rajeshwar temple, and that temple is built by King Raja Chola, and that Raja is also belongs to the Chola dynasty. If you want to write down these points somewhere, so you can write it down. These are very important questions for your NTSC exam also. Okay, that Raja Rajeshwar temple was built by King Raja Chola, and the river which flows near the Tanjore was Kaveri River. Okay, and beside all these things, many mandapas are also built up by those architecture. Mandapas means you can say that court for the king. Okay, where they had all the meetings or where they discuss all their particular issues, or they can give order to their subordinates that how they have to move. So that particular area you called it mandapas. That is a particular place in any, you can say, building, or in, you can say, any town. Okay, that is famous for the meeting of all the kings. Next, we are having towns. Towns, we already discussed that town is bursting with markets, and we are having many markets, like we are having market of spices, clothes, ज्वेलरी. मार्केट तो देखी है ना सबने. तो मार्केट में क्या होता है, बहुत सारी शॉप्स होती है. तो एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी आर हैविंग मेनी shops in a particular market from where we can purchase any particular goods like spices. We are having clothes to purchase. We are having different jewelries to purchase. Okay. Now, if we are having town, so we need water also. Yes. So from where they will get their water? So they will get their water for the water supply. They are having wells and tanks. With the help of the wells and tanks, they are able to fulfill their demand for water. Fine. Yes. So this was the topic about the water supply. As I already told you that all 3 points are interrelated with each other. Towns, traders and craft person. Okay, so when we are explaining this chapter to you, all things are interrelated. So we are explaining you everything simultaneously. Okay, towns का discuss हुआ. इससे पहले आपका क्या था, जो architecture है, we discussed that we are having capital of Chola dynasty. Then we are having a river near that, Raja Rajeshwar built temple. Along with that temple, we are having mandapas, where that mandapa is like the court for the king, where they can solve their various issues. Okay, and now we are discussing the towns, the architecture of the towns, the framing of the town, that how they frame their particular town, that they want a proper water supply also, and for the water supply they are having wells and tanks. Now it's come for the traders and craft person. In that only we are discussing that we know that the weavers of the Tanjore and Udaipur, उरायूर के जो और तंजौर के जो वीवर्स थे, they were busy in producing the cloth. Okay, and they produced that particular cloth for the flags, for making flags to be used in the temple. We use flags now in the temple. We use flags. So the weavers of Tanjore and Urayur are busy in producing that particular flag. So here they are craft person, that they are making flag with the help of the cloth. Okay, and when they are selling that particular cloth to someone who want to purchase it and want to sell it on another place, that person you called it trader. Okay, so like this, all the terms are interrelated. Yes, is it clear to you? Yes, bache? I hope everything is clear to you. Next, we are having, yes, okay. Next, in the craft person only, we are having sculptors. What is sculptors? Sculptors are the person who are making tools by using any metal, or we can say by using bronze. Are you able to see this picture? Yes.